I work as a chief technologist at a drug manufacturing plant in Kaliningrad. A year ago, the management of our plant decided to master the production of a new product, a remedy for the treatment of inflammatory diseases in PVC blister packaging. We bought the necessary equipment for the production of the drug, a blistering machine, organized the packing and packaging area for the capsules. However, in the process of producing the drug, we encountered the appearance of low-quality capsules in the blister. Blister is a type of pharmaceutical packaging, which uses raw materials of PVC and aluminum foil. They maximally preserve hard gelatin capsules with powders, and soft gelatin capsules with oils, from exposure to the environment. To remove the capsules from the blister on a production scale, the chief engineer advised me to buy a special blistering machine. I followed his advice, and began my search for a machine to remove the capsules from the blister. I first decided to contact the supplier of our existing capsule production equipment. We had been working with this company for 10 years, and I went to them for a blister machine. I was looking for a machine that was as efficient as possible, safe for the employee, made of durable material, and had a capacity of 100 blisters per minute. The machine should be compact in overall dimensions, and easy to operate. I found out the phone number of the company in the sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this equipment had been discontinued last year. The manager offered a manual deblister machine, but I was not, as the proposed machine is not suitable for production scale, so I started my search for blister removal equipment, confident that I would definitely find the option I needed. However, the way of searching for it was not as easy as it seemed at first sight. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I searched through the internet. I chose by territory, delivery time, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that management would not approve the options chosen, because of the high cost, and would send me on a second search. I then looked for a machine to remove gelatin capsules from the blister from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 5 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager of the company and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the machine, sent me a video clip by email, and shared the experience of his past customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we concluded a contract for the delivery of automatic equipment for dispensing liquids. Before sending the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine, where I could see it in action. The white, purple, and red capsules went through the process of being removed from the blister pack without damage. The equipment was delivered on schedule. It was compact, economical, and easy to operate. The machine could adjust the speed at which the capsules were removed from the blister. We were satisfied with the deblister machine recommended and supplied by the manager of this company. The specialist provided the necessary documents for the equipment, warranty service, installation passport, instruction manual of the machine. I realized that I made the right choice of a specialist to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to details, and I was lucky to find such a person when choosing the equipment.